In this video, I will tell you about a fun tool that I have run into today, helping me educate and learn more about how actual code works and how the terminal works. So in here, or when we dive into it, you have this URL. It's called learnkitbranching.js.org. And essentially what it does, it has a nice visual way of explaining what is Git and what is branching. And what you need to do is recreate this. So on the right side, you have a goal, and here you have to take certain steps to achieve that goal. Before I dive into this, or before I do one assignment, maybe even two, I will tell you why it's important. So branching is when you have existing code that is working and you don't want any risks to um, on the existing code when you're building something new, for example, a new feature. So what you do is you make a separate branch, you build your feature there, you test it out, and if it works, you will merge it into the main branch, or you can have some other structures. For me, it's relatively new. I've heard about it, but I haven't done it myself. I've also worked with it, but I haven't worked with it myself. Like many of you, I work with Cloud Code and some other tools as well, and this does the heavy lifting. But we can of course rely on that, and it's getting better and better. But it never hurts to get a good understanding, or at least a basic understanding of what is happening below the layer of what the AI is handling for you. So for this reason, I thought let's just dive a bit deeper, learn a bit more. So when I saw this coming on my feed, in this case on YouTube, I thought let's dive into it. And yeah, I've been playing with this for about an hour, going over some levels that I found hard to understand at first and practice a bit more. So here it is. And what we need to do is, in this case, we need to make a commit. So the end goal here is commit. We need to have 3 commits, and we are at 1. So what we do is we type git commit. As you can see, it moves. Then we have a second one. Let's actually make a third one like this. And that's the first assignment. So it starts out pretty simple, and then once you go further and further, you go more complex, more advanced. Well, let's go to the second one. There is a lot of explanation beforehand, which you can go to with like how it works. For now, I will just yeah, I will click a few of them so you can see how it goes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's do the second one. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to create a new branch, and then we need to actually go to that branch. So we create a new branch, and that is get branch, and then we have the branch name, which in this case is bug fix. So now it's created, but as you can see on the star, we are looking at the main branch and not at the bug fix branch. So what we do is we do git check out, and then we type the name of the branch, and it actually moves to the bug fix branch. And as you can see, we completed this assignment. So gradually it will build up the difficulty if you're new to this, and gradually you will learn more and more on how this works in practice. So to be honest, I find it very nice, and I will definitely test this out a few more times. And I would say thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao.